The perfect upgrade to your high-tech custom closet. An elite Valet Rod is a simple addition that makes a big impact on your daily routine, giving you convenient hanging space for outfit planning, packing, or keeping dry cleaning within reach. Installation is quick and straightforward. Start by removing the screw from the back of the rod and sliding out the stopper. Next, mount the base into the desired location using a Euro screw and wood screw, making sure it's level and secure. Then, install the rod, replace the stopper, and tighten the screw to lock everything in place. That's it. A small detail designed to make your closet work better every day.